The various ways to use are difficult, hard in Cantonese and Kongtonese. Example 1咁啊，咪仲惡啲咯。哦，咁咪仲惡啲咯。Example 2咁啊，咪仲惡啲搞咯。哦，咁咪仲惡啲搞咯。Example 3咁啊，咪仲惡搞啲咯。哦，咁咪仲惡搞啲咯。From these examples, one can notice first, there has been a false claim Cantonese and Kongtonese word are which means difficult or hard with the need verb complement. As a matter of fact, are can be used as a standalone without the verb. Second, there are at least two ways for the words are difficult. Disapproval, do, make, create. To interact to form two major types of constructions involving unequal comparisons. The first type, 惡啲搞, more difficult, plus to do, to make, to create. It emphasizes on more difficult. The second type, 惡搞啲, difficult to do, plus more. This type emphasizes on the whole phrase, and in other words, difficult to do, as one whole phrase is being compared and modified by the some more. One can also compare with the Cantonese instruction medium Yuet in Cantonese instruction medium Yuet sound distortion and dictation. Example 1, 所以應難上加難做. Example 2, 所以應更難做. or 所以應較難做. Example 3, 所以應比之前難做. About anyone who can make any sense would immediately notice the tremendous fundamental differences when comparing the genuine Cantonese and Kongtonese with Cantonese instruction medium Yuet Chinese.